What's up, fam? Nike trainer Tara Nicholas here. I'm thrilled to be back again. This is ReNew Year with Well+Good. So for today, we're gonna do a quick full body HIIT workout. That's right, HIIT. You're gonna love it. We're gonna do it together. We're gonna start with a quick warm up and get all of this ready for the fun later. So starting on your back, we're gonna have a dead bug hold. Your hands press into the thighs pressing into the hands. Create that opposition, all right? Curl up, but if you feel like it's too much stress on your neck, the neck can stay down. Let's do it. It's only gonna be 20 seconds. Let's go for this hold, starting now. Good. Enjoy that tension building. Shoulders are down. I have kind of lanky arms, so I have to bend my elbows slightly, but I still have tension in my hands, right? My hands are pressing into my thighs pressing into my hands. I'm curling up, I'm breathing, I'm in my happy place. Inhale through the nose, exhale out the mouth. Breathe, breathe, breathe. 3, 2, 1. Gorgeous. You rest, eyes on me. We have a bridge pulse. So now my hands are gonna be grazing my heels. I bring my pelvis up and I do a little pulse, little jazzercise. Join me. 3, 2, and 1. 20 seconds here. Good. You're thinking up and up. You're squeezing your glutes extra at the top. Just little pulses, keeping it fun, keeping it cute. You know, keep it up. 5 more seconds. In 3, drive your heels down. 2, and time. Great. All right, now knees into your chest and rock yourself up, or just get up how you need to get up, y'all. You know your body. So we're gonna stand up. We have our step out squats. You're gonna step, you're gonna drop, you're gonna stand, reset, step it, drop it, stand, reset. Join me. We'll be here only 20 seconds. And of course, if you already got this step, you don't have to make it so choppy. I just really wanted you to understand what we're doing because we're gonna use this in just a moment. Good. So if it's going well, you add that fluidity, that confidence of movement. And I wanna keep my core engaged. So pay attention. For a lot of us, me especially, I start to lose my pelvis very easily. So make sure you keep everything in with you, core engaged, shoulders, head, and tailbone are in line. Great. Time, come into a fake jump rope while I explain to you what's happening. So we're gonna do a Tabata, okay? So I made it extra fun, so we have a lot of different drills. But what Tabata means is 20 seconds of work, 10 seconds of rest, 8 rounds. That's all you need to know. So I'm gonna show you all 3 skills. Keep doing your jump rope while I tell you what's up. So we're gonna have a quadruped knee to wrist, shoulders over your wrists, and then literally how it sounds, knee to wrist, knee to wrist. Then we'll stand up, and we're gonna have a step back knee drive. You're gonna step back, knee drive, step back, knee drive. Then we'll do lateral shuffles, just like it sounds. Or you can do those step out squats that we just did. Okay, don't worry if that was like, what? I just wanted to tell you what's happening. We're gonna do it all together, starting with that quadruped knee to wrist. 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Good. Knee to wrist. Your knee may not actually reach your wrist. That's okay. It can be knee towards your wrist. Shoulders over your wrist. My pelvis is over my knees when I'm in this quadruped position. And if it just still feels like too much, then focus on a quadruped hold, all right? Just keep moving, keep enjoying life. 3, 2, 1, good. Knees down, stand up. We have that step back knee drive. You're gonna step back, knee drive. A little more spice, add a hop. Join me, 3, 2, 1, you got it. So you're either coming to a flat foot or a little hop. Good. Just make sure you've decided what you're doing. I'm kind of not deciding and doing both, but now I've decided. I'm doing the hop. Good, 5 seconds. Nice. In 3, in 2, time. Right away to that other side, you already know what it is. I'm changing angles so you see different parts of my body. Yep, join me. 3, 2, 1. So if you haven't noticed yet, those rest moments are actually more transitional. So if you feel like, wait, I don't have a moment to rest, you basically don't. And that's fine, that's why we're here. Little HIIT workout for you. 8 seconds. Breathe. In 3, in 2, and time. Great, final skill of that first round is gonna be the lateral shuffle. Again, you can do a step out squat if you're not quite ready for a lateral shuffle. Otherwise, shuffle down, shuffle down. If you haven't already, join me, here we go. 20 seconds. Good. This is our 4th interval. We're just about at that halfway mark. Once the interval's over, it'll be exactly halfway. 5 seconds. 3, 2, time. Amazing. Right back to the top. Keep your ears open. There may be some surprises. Here we go. Quadruped knee to wrist. Let's go. So remember, the goal here is to really build a strong foundation that is actually working for your body. So again, if going knee to wrist is too much, focus on the hold. Engage your core. Can you balance an imaginary coffee cup on your back? 3, 2, 1, let that go, stand up. You already know what's coming up next. We got that step back, knee drive. The hop is optional. Now, for those of you who need a little more in your life, you can add a reverse lunge to that knee drive or to that hop. These are your options. Let's pick up the pace. 3, 2, 1. You've decided what you're doing. Especially me, right? You know, I've been needing to make decisions and sometimes I get stuck in all the options. Good. So whatever you've decided, pick up the pace. We're going for speed. Only way to get better at speed is to actually move fast. Join me, love it, enjoy it. In 3, in 2, and time. Good, I had to squeeze that last little bit in. We're going right to the other side. You know your options, you've made your decisions, make it even better. And we are staying with this faster pace. 3, 2, 1, good. Obviously, I don't know your body better than you, but I'm here to lovingly encourage you to go for this speed option, okay? You've decided which version of the drill works for you, and you're moving fast. In 3, in 2, time. Breathe. We got those lateral shuffles, no surprises. Either those step outs or those shuffles. Decide, keep it spicy. 3, 2, 1, here we go. Yes. We're going for speed, remember. Nice, proud chest. Core is engaged. It's the same amount of fun if you're doing those step outs, right? Still spicy, still yummy. And time, done. That was a Tabata, y'all. Really great work. Little quick cool down here. So we're gonna do alternating quad stretch. You can have a micro bend in your standing legs so you don't tip over. Just grab. Other side. Grab. Good. Just alternating there. You can go at your own pace. If you need to hold on to something, you can, but try not to. Really nice work. I'm so happy that you showed up. That was our HIIT workout, full body. Definitely want to know how you're feeling after this one. Remember, we're still besties. Only loving messages. All right, great. You can let go of that quad stretch or you can keep it going, whatever your body needs. That was really great work. You did full body of HIIT. I know it was a lot, but you showed up and you did the thing. So thank you for being here. Please comment below. Let us know how it felt. Let me know. You can slide into my DMs, whatever makes you feel happy. Subscribe to the Well+Good channel if you haven't already, because they have so much cute content. And then I will see you soon. Thank you so much. Tara Nicholas out.